How to video call on Instagram. So to make a video call in Instagram, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram app like this, now all you have to do now, before you make a video call with anyone on Instagram, so the person must follow your account, or you must follow him before you make a video call on Instagram. So let's say I'll just tap on this message section. So now I'll go ahead and find someone that is following me, or I'm following his account. So I'll just go with this person. So if I open this person, as can see conversation with my conversation with this person, so this person is following my account. So as can see, here is the video call section on this Instagram account. As can see now, tap on this section. Here is I can see now, here is the video icon. So now if you tap on this video icon, now you start video call with the person. As can see now, if I tap on it, so as can see now it start just video call on Instagram. As can see now, just all you have to do after you open the person profile like this, as can see now here is the person. So if you open the person like this, so you tap on this just video icon, you start video recording or video call with the person. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.